hello and welcome back to my channel. You are looking fantastic again today, and I hope you're feeling just as amazing. So what we're going to do today is a set that I am calling Cotton Candy and Unicorns. So if you like those two things, you're going to definitely want to stay to the end, as we've got a couple of really awesome steps on this set. And also we're going to do some ombreing. And in a previous video, Rhonda, I'm sorry I may totally butcher your last name, but Rhonda Mastropalo had commented that she really wanted to see the first and second coats of an ombre set. So Rhonda, this one is for you, and I hope that it lives up to your expectations. How about that? I actually think the ombre on this one came out pretty nice. I'm super happy about it. So while I go ahead and polish these up, go ahead and enjoy the music, which is called Cuba, and I'm not sure how to pronounce the name of the artist, but I'm going to put it right up here for you now. going to come in with a little bit of glitter on the ombre nails. This is the Modelones glitter pots, and I'm not trying to go for a full cover on this. I just want some sporadic glitter going across the whole nail. Just give it a sort of sparkly, bright kind of a look. Now we're going to add those unicorns I was talking about, and we're going to do it in the form of some cool stamping. We're going to do one full unicorn, and this is just the cutest little unicorn you ever did see. We're going to pump that right on this nail. Then we're going to do that cute little unicorn face where you just see, you know, the flower crown with the horn and the ears and the eyes, and that's going to go right there on top. And then we're going to add in 2 spots on the next nail, we're going to add just a little bit of diamonds, and the diamonds actually are super cute, and we're going to put them right on top of a little one of the larger chunkier glitters that is in those glitter pots, and it's going to look super cute. Now on the bright nails, we are going to come in with a non-wipe top coat, and you definitely want to use a non-wipe for this because we are going to do a little bit of sugaring on these nails. Not a little bit, we're going to sugar the whole thing. And this is the finished set. Guys, I love these. I think they're perfect for summer. They're super girly, super sparkly, and just that little touch of whimsy with the unicorns. I absolutely love them. I hope you do as well. Let me know what you think of them in the comment section below, and we will see you next time for some more awesome nail content. Thanks again for watching. Bye-bye.